Ever wonder how some people manage to build wealth while others struggle to make ends meet? It's no secret. It's all about mastering the art of financial planning. Imagine a journey. You're the captain of your ship, and the vast ocean represents your lifetime. Financial planning is your compass. It helps you navigate the treacherous waves and steer clear of financial storms. So how do you start this journey? Step 1, set your financial goals. It's crucial to know your destination before you set sail. Do you want to save for a house? Plan for retirement? Fund a child's education? Each goal will guide your financial decisions. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Step 2, evaluate your current financial situation. This includes understanding your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. It's like checking the condition of your ship before you sail. Only by knowing where you stand can you plot a course to where you want to go. Step 3, develop a budget. It's your financial map showing you what you can afford and what you need to save. A budget doesn't restrict your spending. It empowers you to spend wisely, avoiding the rocks and reefs that can sink your financial ship. Step 4, build an emergency fund. Storms can come out of nowhere. An emergency fund is your lifeboat, ready to save you from unexpected financial hardships. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Step 5, invest wisely. Investing is like catching the wind in your sails. It allows your money to grow over time, helping you reach your financial goals faster. Understand the risks and diversify your investments. Step 6, regularly review and adjust your financial plan. The sea is always changing, and so is your life. Regular checkups ensure your financial plan stays on course, adjusting as necessary to accommodate life's changes. So, to summarize, financial planning is about setting goals, understanding your current situation, budgeting, building an emergency fund, investing, and regularly reviewing your plan. But remember, every journey is unique. What works for one person may not work for another. It's about finding the right balance that suits your lifestyle, your income, and your goals. Financial planning isn't just about money. It's about freedom. It's about knowing you're prepared for whatever life throws at you and having the confidence to make your dreams a reality. So take charge of your financial journey today, because when you master the art of financial planning, you're not just surviving, you're thriving.